May I clarify that because Senate President said that by tradition, we can extend legislative immunity. But I think that is based on tradition that may not hold to any specific witness. That is why this representation, as early as last week, I think, suggested a modality that is based on the law itself, which is Republic Act 6981, where a potential witness can apply under the witness protection program of the law. I think this is the best remedy that any potential witness who wishes to come into the open, considering that he or she will be protected well by the law. Yun sana yung gusto nating tuntunin noon. The Discayas can apply under the witness protection program. Kinakailangang magsoli po sila ng mga nakulimbat nila, which to my mind is not correct. Restitution or indemnification to the government, while it is a good policy, wala po doon eh. Walang requirement na ganun eh. Wala po talagang restitution eh. Kasi mag-a-apply pa lamang po kung sakasakaling ma-admit siya. In other words, the process must begin. Hindi nga po nangyari yung ganun eh. So sayang po yung pagkakataon na tuntunin yung remedy, which is very, very legitimate under the law. So inconsistent po yung sinasabi natin ngayon na we can provide legislative immunity, but they aren't immune.
May I respond, Senator Marcoleta?
Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Okay. Magkaiba po yung legislative immunity kesa doon sa pagiging state witness. Yung legislative immunity does not extend to prosecution. Ang sinasabi lang natin, lahat ng sasabihin niya rito, maski incriminate niya yung sarili niya, hindi pwedeng gamitin sa kanya. Yun lang po yung legislative immunity. Yung sinasabi niyo po ay yung ma-admit sa witness protection program at pwede siyang tanggapin ng DOJ bilang isang ordinary witness or as an accused na pwedeng i-discharge ng korte as a state witness. Magkaiba po yun. Kaya huwag niyo pong paghaluin kasi sandali lang po. Wala po tayong jurisdiction doon sa pag-admit sa witness protection program. Under the law, pwede lang tayo mag-recommend. Pero iba po yung pag-uusapan natin, legislative immunity which is implied or inherent sa Congress or sa Senate. Pag po natin paghaluin yung witness protection program sa legislative immunity, domain lang po natin yung legislative immunity. So gusto ko lang i-clarify na iba po yung sinasabi yung witness protection program at being a state witness in the court of law kesa sa legislative immunity. Those are two different animals.